Hi all, it's Nathan from Construction Technology Services Australia. Tonight I'm going to just run you through how to create a surface from points. It's a pretty easy process. There's heaps of uses for it, but tonight we'll just keep it simple. I'll just show you how to do a pad, like a house pad or something at your chosen elevation. So let's get to it. Obviously, you could create those points in this project that I'm in at the moment, and you could then add a surface to it. But for tonight, we'll just create a new project and start from scratch. So if you press and hold the top right button, which is the menu button, to create a project, then we go new project, we'll call it demo surface. Done. Create. Select it. And there we go. We've got an empty page. Yeah, so from here, if you've got a TBM or a bench height of whatever it might be that your plans are worked off of, then you can track over to that, put the cutting edge or the focus point on that point. So let's say it was at the left tip of the bucket, or the center, or the right. For this one, we'll say it's the left tip. Put that on the benchmark, and press and hold the 0 button up on the top right. That will take us into our offsets. And if you press GPS offset, you'll be able to enter in the elevation, whatever it might be. So tonight, we'll just call it 100. And we press set GPS offset, and done. There we have it. Now, you'll see our height currently is 100. So from here, we can create our surface from points. So let's say I've got the excavator set up over one of the corners on the boundary. I can hit the points button, pick a point, create a point there, and then I can drive to the next point. So it's there. Turn around. Next point. There we have it. So we picked up our corners of the block. See them all there. The elevation of those points isn't important, so it's just as long as you've got them in the right position, because we're going to create the surface at whatever elevation we choose. So tonight we'll just we'll make it 99.5, just so then the points are over the surface and you'll still be able to see them, and we'll create another surface after that. So yeah, so once you've got your points, just hit the menu button, and I've highlighted already is create surface. Go next, and we want to pick surface from points. Next, and then you'll notice up the top right it's got auto. So as we touch each point, it'll create a surface automatically from that. So we just do that, tap with your finger on each point. You see it will create a surface. Now we want to create that surface at a particular elevation, 99.5. So where the auto is, you tap that to it says adjust height, and then you'll notice that there is a crosshair on the last point that I touched. So when I can adjust that, the height of our surface from that point to 99.5. Go to the next one, pan across, make that one 99.5 as well. 1.5. 99.5. They're all at 99.5 now. That's our surface built. Next, let's call it, give it a name. Demo 95. There we have it. Our points create, our surface is created. So that quick and easy to build a pad of some sort. This is an emulator. I'm sitting a little high at the moment, so I'll just bring that down. See, that's our pad. And then you can continue to create other surfaces from those same points. So let's say you had a step up, like a yard or something. You could say you wanted to create another surface. You can drive over, create another point. Create another point there. Go back in to the menu, create a surface again, surface from points. We can select the existing points, so we get the exact edge of the previous surface, and then there's our new surface. And you can see there's a height difference on those because we set those point heights at 100 and our last surface was at 99.5. Now we can adjust this surface as well if we like, so we just tap the auto button through till we see adjust height. Look at the current top view. There we go. Look at, there's a crosshair there. We're going to make it so our last surface was 99.5. We'll make this one 100.5. There'll be a meter between them. Now you would have noticed just then that when I tapped that point, it was 100, not 99.5. That's because it's just, we're actually tapping the points, not the previous surface that we created. Points always stay at the height that they were originally. Might need to check that. I made that the wrong height. 100.5. This one 100.5. And then we have created our next step. And then we can say next, give it a name, demo 1. Done. And there it is. Oops. There's that surface. Just raise that again. Make sure, because it's a pretend system. Doesn't quite what's right. There we are. There's our new surface. Now, let's say you wanted to have the two surfaces running at the same time. You can do that. It's just not showing you the other surface because it's not open. The job's not open. So we can go back into the menu, and where it's highlighted already, it says surface design file. We want to open another surface design file, and there's our 99.5 one. Just highlight that. Press next. We say done. They're both there. So it's it's a pretty easy thing to do. And if you'd like some more information, please shoot me a email or give me a call, and yeah, we'll talk soon. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.